Today on the chapter the 12th there is they are there is the they are lady country speech meda country kapsla there is speech they are the kadika speech on the chera chida there lana payla or koraya chik there they petition on the drum do share chesra drumlane jitendra poshia chesra zinda on the zinda ani te payla chogorian zinda chilana color they are 35 students to la chora they are lady kator tingore ti di cups te tanda ki ja khari shiya kasra khari ko shiya kas di cups la di yo ba dosla ko chora ta yo ba le de ni ro mangsi da nyungzi mi mangbo yo ba na they are and mi chi yo ba there is a man ra mi shi yo das once upon a time there was a man ro ko chu yang zu dum ro de masna ra there is the they are led introduction na khoche ta hala do read these sentences siru binzo loshos there is a blackboard on the wall ra ta ganza pari del ta ina ra kardu there is a blackboard on the wall pai kyanganglas ra wall kyangangla ani ya khasa di khasa blackboard la na yigit zara nakbang chitus nakbang shi du letra the do lady ko is lady tongo te ina there is lady khar ko chore phile yo baro chira ta de yo baro chila di khasa saja khole bi de la yo baro chi de la yo baro chila ko che there is a teacher in the class ra ani jinda nangla gi yin shi do le de kasla there is la na ko chu do ra ta go to dan chi a teacher is in the class la ne maje mara ge yin shi la jinda na to ya dida jinda nangla ge yin shi do le bara khoni bara ke she dan tis kyo do da the dej ka slo ra there is a window ani ge hon shi to us ra there are many children ani pu hare mambu to us many children ra there are many desks in the classroom ani jingang nangla ani chokje mangbutus ra ladu zambala is le dikha pichi du nyunji kaswa pesi kisi khara yin chi nakwan chi gi hun chi pu mangbu da dress mangbu zula ar pichi chero de dang cha ko ra wandi gi chi dang there is the they are le pichi chi dang ro tha ko sa chi ne dang chi kang la chi du le ina there is a chair there is a man there is a dog ra de ro shna ko che Kumodoro chiyoga structure. And then we use there is when there is one person, thing, animal, vegetable, or fruit. Manzo there is piju chires. Kadu kabla ani mishi ta ani chalashi tundoshi ani seshi sindoshi kari ina tundoshi yoba ina manzo there is leres. We use they are when there is more than one of something ra kisi ganzu ekhaza dikha chala chile mawa chi yoba ina yoba kapsula manzo they are pijires ra exercise 1 di disada digandi this chidang ro di is the are hinzu hakor da gele hakor ata hakor ina there is the they are let piji chidang ro thawsa chi ngode chi zambala and there is a man and there are many children in the school Raji Kochu down Roj, and Roj Kapsla, there is the DRPG. That in exercise 1 the complete these sentences with there is or they are. The Sirudunsogi, Kari Kongore, there is Yana, they are conscious. Pena Thambodi, there are many animals in the zoo. Ra, many animals la Zamgikare, they are Chadira. And zoo la, Chesin Khanla, and Simji Mambo Pere. On the road, she do zambala, and they are pechira. That there are an elephant in the zoo. So, Hatere, there is an elephant in the zoo. Ra, Chezen Khanla, Langche Shik doos. Then, many lions, Lazada, the Mangzis, so there are also many lions. And the zoo collection, the Radanda, Chezan, and zoo layang. Kharsa the khasa senge mangbo yang do senge yang mangbo do ra so they are a big pond in the zoo pond na zule rang zo chukil de yuchimbo this yuribu de rojra dela pond le ra. So there is a big pond in the zoo, right? Cheze kanala and zoo chimbu dos kalna simje zo chudon yura de roj. Dinashi a big tree near the pond, right? Pond damla and tree chimbu shi do ler ta de la khacher de something, right? There is she kanunj there. A peacock under the tree. Shindong wala ni tikasa mabja shi do ler ya de la khacher, right? Many baby lions too. And career sengegi pugo dindriya mambu dos. Many lasa da lions lasa zamala khacher. Many people at the zoo. Dinashigi and zoo la mi mambu shi do lela khacher de la manzira. They are the days kanunshi kyache. The next exercise 2D. Complete these sentences with there is or they are. Which you can see so there is yana. They are conscious. Then there is a large table in the room. There paritana and table chimbushi dos. The kaza kamidina. Then dash 2 boys reading their books. That 2 boys las mangburwa and kachere. They are 2 boys reading their books. And punigi and table loshimbarishas khans. A chart hanging on the wall. Chart lana and roch. So show me to the journey digala subtrainere ya chikare khasa enyinga ro da kharja gene de dila chart le ra hanging lana kyangwa shangwa ra ani kyangla shangshi bare shangdos la zabal chigra te ja there is a shelf near the door de do khang khasa di go idam da shelf lana chala thep shasa do li da de pangshang le re Dinishi dos, ra, ya de la khachibe. Many books in the cupboard. Cupboard la zambala di rochate, ra, nanglo la de la. Cupboard nanglo la khardu, thebe mangbutus. The shelf the cupboard ni do piji chisha da hons de la, ra. Deche. Bags under the table. Bags mangzi do, jolani di chose wal dos. So there is kar sometimes. A pencil box on the table. Pencil box lana shanyu lusa ye gam do liya dende ye chik dos kola table gam chose gam dos. So there is libe there are there. Some toys in the corner of the room. Ta dila toys ni baina cheche din khasheji and call to corner lana sud la ra this sud to adin la corner la ra and is coming surla dos. So some la samal chile ma so kharpichi but there is pichi they are. The next exercise somebody look at the picture of Anu's room, write 5 sentences using there is or they are and the words in the box. Ra ta hare pari lata che and anu gi room gi ra a room gi kami lata par lata che and khathore sidunga tishos khari phiri chore there is yana they are phiri chin ra and the words in the box dinashi phiri khari chore dinala sidin zo phiri chishos ra tadi chama chala mi che chala khaju mela pape there is the they are phiri ra pecheshin thangud there is a bed in the room ra niriji mashmin do so a bed there is phiri ra there are two chair khardo ni chair khardo chair do 2 chairs. Dinashingi kachimbe na mangzi chahardu del chigmish de la khardu pictures ra pictures ni do there are 2 pictures ra there are 2 pictures ra dinashingi tables khazu do table chigmish da there is a table dina books khazu mangbu pe do so there are many books in the cupboard, in the shelf. Then clock. There is 1 clock. There is a clock. Bed sasaswa. This is on the chick. Chikni sumshinga. True. True langa mashmita. Dela niga dushanati sir. Karani chair down and picture niga doa. So there are 2 chairs and 2 pictures lana chichina dushana ra Andila, Chirupma Tata Shaita.